Hello friends, exercise 10.5 of circle, chapter 10. Question number 6 you are seeing. Question number 6 is given ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Question number 6, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral whose diagonals intersect each other at E. If angle DBC whose diagonals intersect each other, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, it is given. It is given ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. You draw this. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. It means and whose diagonals are intersecting at E. Whose diagonals are intersecting at E. Then angle DBC 70. Angle DBC. This angle is given 70. According to figure, you write all the things. Angle BAC is 30 degree. Angle BAC, ABCD, angle DBC is 30 degree. Angle 70 degree. Angle DBC is equal to ABCD. Diagonals intersect at point C. Angle BAC. BAC is equal to this angle. This angle is given 30 degree. Find BCD. BCD, this angle. Further, if AB is equal to BC, then AB is equal to BC, then find angle ECD. You want to find out. Then find angle ECD. What is given? ECD. If AB is equal to BC, then it is 30 and minus. First you find out BC. Like example, this and this angle will be equal. By arc BC, angle BAC is equal to angle BDC. Same segment. Okay. This angle equal to this. So angle BDC is equal to 30 degree. Okay. In triangle BCD, ASPT, angle BCD you want, angle BCD is equal to what you want? Angle BCD. First you find out the angle BCD. Angle BCD is equal to 180 minus angle 70 degree, because you are getting this also 30 here from here. So 70 degree plus 30 degree. What are you getting? 180 minus 100 gives you 80 degree. You are getting this BCD 80 degree. Angle BCD is equal to 80 degree. It is proved. First part is proved. Fine. Now AB is equal to BC. So AB, this side is equal to this side. So angle BCA is equal to angle BAC is equal to 30 degree. So this will be also 30 degree. Why? Because angle in the opposite to equal side. So it is 30 degree. So ECD, angle ECD, this angle you want, this angle is equal to angle BCD minus angle BCA, or not? BCD minus BCA. So you will get 80 minus 30, that will be 50 degree. You are getting two answers, 80 and 50. Question number 7. What is given? Question number 7. In the question number 7, if the diagonal of a cyclic quadrilateral are a diameter of a circle through the vertices of a quadrilateral, then prove that it is a rectangle. Your question is given, diagonal of a cyclic quadrilateral is a diameter. You will draw a rectangle, but you write it is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means all the vertices lies on the, what is given? It is given in this ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. AC and BD are diameter. AC and BD quadrilateral, the diagonals are diameter. Diagonals are diameter. To prove ABCD is rectangle. Proof. Very simple question. Proof is what? Because AC is diameter, so angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, while angle in semicircle. Angle in semicircle is 90 degree. So angle ABC, this angle you are getting 90. And angle ADC is equal to 90 degree by same reason. If this is also you are getting sin 90. Now BD is diameter. BD is diameter. So angle, if BD is the diameter, angle BAD is equal to angle BCD is equal to 90 degree is equal to Y by semicircle. So each angle 90 degree, therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Why? Hence proved. Each angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is a, or any quadrilateral is a 90 degree, then always it will be a cyclic. Any quadrilateral, each angle 90 degree, it means it is a rectangle. So quadrilateral is given, if sides are equal, then it is a square. So very simply you have proved it. Question number 8. If non-parallel side of a trapezium, question number 8 you see, if non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, given ABCD is trapezium in which AB parallel to CD and AD is equal to BC, which is not parallel, they are equal. To prove ABCD is cyclic. What do you want to prove? ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. What is given? Only one line question is given. If non-parallel side of a trapezium are equal, prove that it is a cyclic. Very simple and easy question. One line it is given. Given ABCD is a trapezium. Trapezium means at least one pair will be parallel. And non-parallel side, that is this. It is your ABCD. Non-parallel sides are equal. AB parallel to CD. And this is equal. It is given. Construction for this proof. Draw B parallel to AD meets CD at E. CD at E. Like a 9th standard is also given. Proof. What is given? Proof. Quadrilateral ABED. AB is parallel to D because AB is parallel to CD, part of parallel line. It is given. So AB is parallel to this D also. AD is parallel to B. Construction. Therefore, quadrilateral ABED is a parallelogram. Is a parallelogram, both the pairs are parallel, so angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, opposite angle of parallelogram. It is first. In triangle in triangle BEC, B is equal to AD. Why? Sides parallelogram, opposite side of parallelogram, this is equal. BC is equal to AD, it is given in the question. Therefore, B is equal to BC. These two are equal, then 3 and 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. It is the opposite angle of equal side. Now you are getting by first and second. By first, angle 1 equal to 2. By second, angle 3 is equal to 4. But angle 2 plus angle 3 gives you 180 degree. Why? By linear pair. So at the place of 2, you replace angle 1 plus angle 3 replaced by 4 is equal to 180 degree by equation first and equation second. By first and second you replace 2 by 1, 3 by 4, 2 equal to 1, 3 equal to 4. So 1 plus 4, opposite angle sum is supplementary, so the quadrilateral are trapezium, therefore trapezium ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral because opposite pair of angle is supplementary. Supplementary means sum, hence proved. Now you have proved this. 1 plus 4. So there is a very simple one line question and you are getting this type of proof. So here you have completed these 3 questions now. Now you will see the 9 question in the next lecture.